Have you ever spent hours cleaning messy data, repeating the same steps over and over again, or searching for that one complicated Excel formula that will magically solve your problem? Well, what if I told you there is already a tool inside Excel designed to make all of that much easier? That tool is Power Query, a free built-in feature that allows you to automate repetitive tasks, clean and shape data in just a few clicks, and save hours of manual work. Power Query is like a superpower hidden inside Excel, always ready to jump in and save the day. Most people never use it, not because it's difficult, but because they don't even realize how strong it is. Today, I will introduce you to what Power Query is, how it works, and why it is one of the most important tools for anyone working with data. Power Query started as a free add-in for Excel, but it was so effective that Microsoft made it a core feature. You will find it right in the Data tab under Get and Transform. Its main purpose is simple but powerful. Pull data from a source, transform or clean it, load the improved version back into Excel. Here's something important to note. Power Query does not change your original data source. It creates a clean, transformed copy of it. This means you can work freely without worrying about breaking anything in the original file or database. And unlike standard Excel formulas, Power Query allows you to build repeatable steps. So next time new data comes in, all it takes is one click to refresh everything. No more redoing the work from scratch. When it was first released, people quickly realized Power Query would do in minutes what used to take hours, or even require hiring a data specialist. Need to combine multiple reports? No problem. Need to clean, structure a messy export from ERP system like SAP? Easy. Need to create dynamic, refreshable dashboards? Power Query makes that possible. This growing demand is why Microsoft fully integrated into Excel and later made it the foundation of Power BI as well. In fact, learning Power Query is an excellent step if you ever want to advance into data modeling and business intelligence. Power Query shines in three key areas: importing data, transforming and cleaning data, loading and integrating data for analysis. Let's break this down. With Power Query, you're no longer limited to copying and pasting data. You can connect directly to other Excel workbooks, text or CSV files, folders, SharePoint or OneDrive, SQL and other databases, Microsoft Exchange and Outlook, web page and OData feeds. And here's a hidden superpower. Power Query can handle very large datasets. You're not limited by Excel's row count in the same way as before. This means you can work with data that would normally crash a spreadsheet. Once you bring your data into Power Query, that's where the magic happens. You can split columns, remove duplicates, merge or append tables, extract numbers from text, calculate values like age or worked hours, filter and group large datasets. All of these transformations are done through clicks, not complex formulas and behind the scenes. Power Query records every step so you can reuse or modify them without starting over. Once your data is clean and ready, Power Query lets you decide where to load it: into an Excel table, directly into a pivot table, or into the Excel data model, where you can build relationships between multiple tables. This is what turns simple spreadsheets into powerful analytical models. You can create dashboards, KPIs, and dynamic reports that update automatically when your data source changes. One of the biggest advantages of Power Query is reusability. Once you build a query, you don't have to redo the steps again. Just refresh, and your new data is clean and loaded instantly. This makes it a game changer for anyone who works with weekly or monthly reports. It eliminates repetitive manual work and gives you more time to focus on analysis and decision making. Power Query is not just another Excel feature. It's a data transforming engine that empowers you to work smarter, not harder. Whether you're an analyst, a manager, or simply someone who wants to save time, mastering Power Query will give you a real advantage. So, the next time you open Excel, remember that little Get and Transform button is not just a menu. is a gateway to a more efficient way of working with data. And that's the wrap up for this introduction to Power Query. I hope this gave you a clear picture of how powerful and practical this tool can be. If you're ready to save time, reduce manual work, and make your data work for you, Power Query is the perfect place to start. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next session.